Good morning. Orlando Gardener coming at you. Guess where? No, we ain't in the Blue Ridge Mountains. We're far, far from that. Thought I'd share something beautiful with you. There's nothing like water and gardening. You know, gardening and water go together, you know. No water, no garden. I thought I'd share this wonderful, beautiful sight here on a lake that I'm unsure about of the name in Blakey, Georgia. Y'all see that? Look at that. I'm gonna try to step across this rail without falling in. Just want y'all to look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Listen at the sound of that. And I actually saw some bass over there. Listen at that sound, y'all. Okay. So we're gonna cross the street. We're gonna look both ways. And we're gonna go over here. Let's see this beautiful part over here. And I don't think I'm gonna even post this video right now. Post it later this week. Enough of signs. This is what y'all want to see. Look at that. Oh my. Ain't that beautiful? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Waterfall. Let me give y'all another angle. Y'all know I like to give y'all more than one angle. Give y'all another view. Just sharing my experience. Y'all have a good one.